Hi, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all for today's alumni session. So I would like to start the session without any delay. So because strength is also very good. So today's our alumni will be an. Please all of you mute your audios.
ఓకే ఓకే వచ్చింది వేరే అబ్బాయి వచ్చింది సారీ నీకు కాదు వేరే వాళ్ళకి ఓకేనా మీకు అది CMR
I
college
would like to introduce our today's alumni. That is, he's none other than Sharad Durishetty. He is from Mechanical Department of 2013 to 17 passed out. He is a very naughty student in the class, and he's working as a associate engineer at Stratology. So I would like to invite Sharad to this session. Sharad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, over to you. And please speak little bit louder.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you for this giving this opportunity. Today, I would like to share my experiences and mesmerizing moments which I have experienced with CMR College, and I would also like to share how the things will how the things went in CMR College. So, just give me a minute, ma'am. Yes. Hi, everyone.
Sharath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, there is an audio issue with audio issue, ma'am. Just give me a minute. Yes. Yeah. So I would like to share my experiences with the CMR College. Let me start from my beginning of first year. As like everyone, I used to have the same confusion and hesitation to come to the college and get to know how college will run and how things will go down. And I used to have very
17 होंगे पार्टिसिपेंट्स अभी।
Yeah. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Sharad, do you have any internet problem?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's raining here, so I'm not able to connect with the Zoom. It's automatically getting ended.
Mobile. Are you using laptop or mobile?
Yeah, I'm using mobile phone now.
Okay.
So I don't know what happening. It's automatically uh, left. I'm not able to get it. Just give me a minute now.
Okay, maybe due to network issue.
Yeah, yes,
No
ma'am.
problem.
You can mute video, you can put audio on.
I'm trying in all possible ways, ma'am, but I'm not able to get what is the issue.
Sharath,
Hello.
Mangesh sir ikkada. Mangesh sir.
Hi,
Sharath,
sir. Hi, sir.
Idi, you can put your video off, you can put your audio on, like that.
Okay, okay, sir.
For time being, once you...
Yeah, oh, just give me a minute, sir. Yes. Am I audible, sir? Mangesh, sir?
Yes, Sharad, you are audible.
Yeah. I'll start with. Yeah, let me
Yeah.
share my experiences with CMR College, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. So let me start with my first year career. So I used to.
నానమ్మ లేదు నానమ్మ కూడా పోయింది ఇప్పుడే పోయింది అలా నాన్న కూడా లేడు
Maybe Sharath is having some network issue. Please give him 5 minutes and be patient. He's going to be get joined.
Meanwhile, either you can start the Facebook Live or you can do something.
Just stop the recording and Facebook Live.
Batch. A very good evening to one and all. My batch is 2013 to 2017. I completed my BTech in 2017 batch. And
Shravan, on your video.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi one and all. I am Shravan. I completed my BTech in 2017 in CMR Technical Campus. Actually, 2 days back only I make a one session with you all, but today I got a lot of responses. Many faculties are also joined. It's very honor and it's very excitement.
If faculty are joining daily, you see students have joined, many students.
Yes, sir. Actually, on that only
You
faculties.
are always telling faculty, many faculty are joining. We are always there. You just check with the students, you are juniors.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct, sir. But on that day, there is less faculties also. Where I'm focusing faculties means few issues will resolve by faculties also, not only by the alumni students. Let me talk, sir. I will give all sessions to my dear juniors and everything. Thank you very much, sir. And from 2017 to 2017, my batch. 2013, I completely focused on only studies. There is no passion and no everything. And 2014 batch, the HOD is changed. Dr. Manay sir came to our department. It's very fantastic. I mean, it's a very miracle because previously we are enclosed with a room and we didn't have any freedom like that with previous HOD. Dr. Manay sir provided everyone and everything to all entire department. So please interact with Manay sir and get a positive vibes. So it's very useful for your career also, not only for your 2-3 years. So Manay sir is a wonderful faculty and HOD in entire CMR Technical Campus. Even after coming Manay sir only, the mechanical are getting boom and giving a competition to CSE guys. So don't compare with the CSE guys and the placement of 8 lakhs, 14 lakhs of 1% out of 240%. Focus what are the other persons, what are doing other persons other than the one person who are get a 8 lakhs package. So coming to the things, better to don't live like semester exams, coming to the college eating, just build a passion. I will always focus on the passion because it will give for your confidence for your future. So coming to the college learning is all everyone will do, every IITian also do the same thing. But other than that, you need to build up the passion. I mean, if you have a skills regarding the dancing, scripting, short film or direction or any coding development, you can proceed with your ability of the skill. Because out of lot of students, many people will study what you are studying. You're buying a guide before 2 days and you're getting a good marks in semester. It's everyone do. But what about the others? I mean, what about the other things? After completing a 4th year only, you will get know what I want to do, what I want to do. Better to think the question in the second year itself. Because I'm the person parallelly doing an MTech. In 2 months, I will complete my MTech. I have one company, CS Tech Solutions. You can go through search with abcs3d.com. You will get a lot of information what I'm providing to the services to the clients. I'm actually from mechanical domain, but I going with web development and e-commerce sites and digital marketing and graphic designing and ultimately 3D printing and CAD/CAM solutions. These are the services I am providing. What is my passion is, this is all my passion. My profession is I'm doing MTech, BTech, everything. So better to focus not only studies, go with other activities. And the moreover, go and interact with every faculty. Then you will get a lot of information regarding the studies, their careers, I mean, your senior careers and job opportunities in their respected fields. What about the project status? Everything you will get from the faculties itself. And on my batch, there is only 3-4 faculties who are pursuing PhD. But very fantastically, our department are exploded with 14 to 15. I think 15 members are doing PhDs. It's very wonderful. Go with the and also 3-4 new faculties with doctorates also welcome to our college. Better to interact with the doctorates and pursuing PhD candidates. You will get a lot of information, not only the studies, what are the projects going on, what are the latest technologies in our domain and other domains. You will get each and every update from those faculties and doctorates only. You can't get this type of updates wherever you can go. So better to interact each and every faculty with very comfortable way. Just get hi sir, hi ma'am, hi sir, hi ma'am. Daily make a greetings to every sir with 3 to 4 times. You will get a positive vibe. Definitely will get a lot of benefits after completing the BTech. And the things, one more thing, and any few questions, because repeatedly I can't speak. Can you say? Can you ask any questions? Because a lot of juniors are came. Previous session I only speak. Sir, hi, sir.
Shravan,
Hi, sir.
Your session should be an interactive session because the thing is, what you want going to speak means first how you started your studies and how you are inculcating all these activities like some CSC related topics you are doing, what you are doing in your business.
Yeah,
So,
sure, definitely.
How the mechanical knowledge is useful to your this particular domain and doing all those things. At the same time, are you going to provide any training session for our students, like those who have completed their BTech now? So, however, you are going to learn the things from Ajay sir and other faculty members. The same way, if you guide them, they may be easily they are going to settle in their particular areas. Whatever the areas you are concentrating on, in that areas, if any student is interested, just take their biodata means resume and just train them in your particular way. Now you are in Hyderabad and some other students are in Warangal and some other students are in Karimnagar. Why can't they develop these kind of things? Whatever you are doing in Hyderabad, they will develop in at their areas, because in this COVID situation, it will be easy to spread all over the Telangana, whatever the works you are doing. That's what.
Yeah, sure, sir, definitely. Actually, for all, Sharath,
Yes. Shravan, am I audible now?
on previous session, so unfortunately I forgot that, but definitely you remembered me. I will proceed with that process only. And while doing mechanical, I am learning the skills of CAD designing, everything. I started learning after third year. So it's one of the drawback. You better to learn from the second year itself if you're interested in designing field. And in the third year fest only, I created one website for departmental fest. I am a mechanical candidate. I won't feel that coding is a very burden to us, because any mechanical candidate can do anything, but CSC can't learn the CAD softwares, but mechanical person can learn easily the CAD software, coding, not only coding, deployment or any development or any iterations, everything he can able to grab the things. So better to focus on other things also. And in the third year, I involved in all colleges fest, and my fourth year is my project, entirely focused on my project under the guidance of Siddiq Ali sir and with the support of, as sir mentioned, Ajay sir. These two faculties are made a wonderful facilities to our college, whereas industry 4.0 comes to our college, that is in 3D printing, additive manufacturing technology, where compared to CSC, it's artificial intelligence. You say artificial intelligence, we saying, wow, it's artificial intelligence, machine learning. So in our domain also, there is a wonderful technology, additive manufacturing, which is related to the industry 4.0. You can do a lot of things that with that lab, CAPD lab and things. My project is fabrication of a 3D printing. I went to the industry and I worked on that, and I make my project completely successful. So with that project only, I started the service, 3D printing services. Now I provided 3D print services. And parallelly in the second year, I touched the development. So I elaborate my skill in after BTech. Yeah, any questions? So parallelly, I included that services to my company. CAD/CAM, as I know it is designing skills, I can able to design and analysis. So it is one of the services CAD/CAM solutions. If you want to, I mean, I can't do any job guarantee, but I provided training definitely. If any students already from the previous sessions, I got 2 communications from the students. I said I will definitely proceed with your clarifications and doubts. If you're interested, really interested in designing course, definitely I will give 24/7 support. I will provide a 1 hour session also. It's not a matter for me. We have, I know CATIA very well, my colleague who know very well in SolidWorks. I have ANSYS support. With lot of team effort, I am moving slowly and slowly. If you are interested in 3D printing also, I can provide classes and how to manage the 3D printing. What I meant to say is, until unless no one can force you, because I mean, no one need to force you. You need to take initiative from your side. Simply, I will take one example. In our college, there is a CAPD lab, additive manufacturing lab, Center for Additive Product Design. So, one CSC guy is maintaining that lab instead of a mechanical guy. No one will observe. Any student will don't take it, because CSC boy learning at the time of coding, and parallelly he learned 3D printing and everything. So the initiation by the person is very nice. So better to you go and involve with the CAPD lab, and opposite to the CAPD lab, we have a wonderful lab, some SAE club involvement with the go-kart, everything. So better to focus on that also. Thank you. Sharad, can you continue?
Shravan?
He's having some network issue, I think, Shravan. He's getting disconnected for every 2 minutes. He's saying that.
Okay, ma'am, I will proceed. Thank you. Thank you.
If he is available at the end of the session, then he will continue after your talk.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. So that's the thing I will, but you want to focus what to learn, what to main, because if you went to market, no one will ask what is your BTech percentage. They will ask resume. In the resume, there will be a percentage. It's not a matter. But what you know, other than the studies, what you learn, the skill is more important. If you have a skill, definitely the job will comes to you only. No need to worry about the jobs and everything. Even in this time of COVID situation, many people will saying there is no supply chain system and there is no recruitment process. I will give that type of question. I will give answer for that type of questions. If you have ability to skill something, I mean, if you have a coding language, if you have a designing language, if you want to do any analysis product, you just project, I'm doing this, I can do this. So definitely one of the client will come approach to you only, then you can solve the issue and everything, because it's type of a freelancing. So your skill need to be projected to others. What you are doing other than your studies, I am mentioning clearly, other than the studies. So better to focus on your not only on studies, focus on your other activities also. Passion, build a passion. Every person will have a skill. So that's the thing I need to mention. So better to ask some source. I will give some examples, because already I completed the same session. I can't repeat the words because I hear lot of students are there. I'm expecting some interaction or questions like that. So better to ask the students itself, not it's a faculty session. No need to ask faculty. హలో
శ్రవణ్, నువ్వు క్లాస్ బంక్ కొట్టినప్పుడు ఏం లాస్ అయినావు? ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్పినప్పుడు వినకపోతే ఏమేం లాస్ అయినావు అవి చెప్పు వాళ్ళకి.
క్లాస్
ఇప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది అంటే నువ్వు 4th ఇయర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నీకు ఏమేం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేసినావు, మేము చెప్పిన వినకుండా ఉంటాం.
ఓకే ఓకే ఫైన్.
కొంచెం ఇంటరాక్టివ్ చేసి, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ప్యాషన్ అనే చెప్పేసరికి వీళ్ళందరూ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఏం ల్యాబ్ మన 3D ప్రింటింగ్ ల్యాబ్ అని చెప్పేసి
నాట్ లైక్ దట్ సార్, యాక్చువల్లీ
మొత్తం అటెండెన్స్ అంతా చేస్తున్నారు.
షూర్ 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 షూర్.
ఆ పిల్లలకి కొంచెం వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. See, the thing is, I am also coming to the college. I involved in all activities. I imagine 75% attendance. Parallelly, I'm sessions and everything. Yes, sir. Okay. I didn't lose anything from the class bunks, sir, because I very less I can make the class bunks because I will get official permissions from the other management. So in that type of manner, I didn't have any suggestions, anything. But before bunking to the classes, you need to mention to your faculty or you need to mention your interaction with the mentor is important.
శ్రవణ్ అని చెప్పేది అదే. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు క్లాస్ బంకుండా ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ గా నువ్వు చేసిన పని రెండు కూడా ప్యారలల్ గా ఎలా చేయగలిగావు అని చెప్తున్నాను. క్లాస్ బంక్ కొట్టిన వాడి గురించి చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. కొట్టకుండా ఇది అది రెండు ప్యారలల్ గా ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయగలిగావు?
Yeah, sure. Okay, sir. For example, taking with a session of a mesa section, 3-hour session, no one will come, involved in 3 hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes, one person will give PPT and another person will do some other activities. So remaining all persons will get to listen to that topic. Parallelly, you can think what to do, I need to do after next Mesha, I want to do. Better to initiate by yourself, interacting with yourself. If you start initiating like that, from there only, you can learn the designing skills from the lab itself. You have a lot of time in the 3 hours of Mesha session and 3 hours of lab session. You want to continuously work on 3 hours of lab. I think 40 minutes is enough for a 3 hours lab. So remaining you will chit chat with others. Better to parallelly chit chat half an hour and take half an hour. What your father are doing? Your father is a CNC trainer or any designing skills you have, or I need to improve any designing skills. Is there any companies providing industry training in Hyderabad? So better to do like that. Google or any research or interaction with faculty will get a lot of informations. And better to involve in one club also, because in the club also you will have an opportunity to explore your skill. And only 1 hour class and 1 hour you can participate in another, because you will get a permission definitely for 1 hour. But you are unfortunately after 1 hour you are going to home itself and you are bunking the college and you are wasting the 5 hours of the time. So better to participate 1 hour in classroom and 1 hour in the Mesa section, or 1 hour in with faculty, or half an hour with faculty, or any like that. So maintain that calibration, equality should be needed. But until unless the things we need to grow by yourself, I can say only what I am thinking. So that the things I need. Actually in the 3rd year itself I started exploring my skills and everything. Parallelly I am attending the classes, one international conference to one international workshop to international conference also I organized and I involved in that. Parallelly I am continuing the classes itself. And there are a lot of time you need to think and you need to go. If any management issues you across come, just complain with the talk with your mentor and he will resolve that definitely the issues. So like that my 2nd year and 3rd year is completed. 4th year I completely focused on a workshop and a project, and parallelly I'm attending the classes itself. With permissions I will leave the classes. So that's the things I need to mention. You can ping me any messages in the chat box if you want to ask. Yeah, one more thing is the projects from other outside. So better to interact with the pursuing PhD or doctorates. Before the project you can make a literature review or literature survey. It is the most important to our project. Many people don't know how to make a Word document after completing of the 4th year. Then absolutely they don't know how to prepare a resume itself. So better to touch the MS Word, everything. Better to learn one thing from your project, either is a technical skill or another management skill or another teamwork or any initiation or doing a Microsoft work, everything. At least learn one skill out of your 4 members batchmates. So before starting your project, make a literature review. How is there any project is going on in this domain, or what is the progress of this domain? Like that you can make a literature review. It will be definitely useful. what I mean to say is, we can say everything, but you can't do, you can manage what you are interested. So if you have any, I mean, online training or any opportunities in industries, any guidance, definitely I will give, I will make a path, but I can't assure you will get a job or anything, because it depends upon your interest and your skill and your technicality. So that's the things I want to say. Hi, I'm Rakesh. I want to know that you said handling a company. You can provide any training sessions, bro? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will provide training. Still, I didn't make because I have little resources. I am busy with the web development projects and some CAD designs. If you're really interested, you need to, I mean, learn any CAD software. Definitely, I will make you learn. I will definitely provide you training for you, at least 1 hour per day. Bro, can you suggest any tips to learn coding language, and you provide online classes? Yeah, Shiva, before that, you need to focus at least your domain, because you are studying mechanically. You can learn some skill in mechanical and at least focus with one MOA subject or a machine drawing, then move to the coding language, because it's another domain. You are studying with this domain, you need to at least grab some knowledge in the 4 years of a mechanical domain. To learn coding language, there is lot of CSE domains, Java, Oracle, everything, Python, everything. But if you need interested in any designing type, you better to choose a HTML is a fundamental language to build a website. So it's very easy for any mechanical student. I'm not having any CSE or any, everyone can learn that type of coding. In this case, I can't provide that HTML training, everything. I can provide only our designing software training itself. What are the services your company provides? One of the services is my project, because I take care of my project very effectively and productivity, because I give most important to my product, it's project 3D printing. So because it is industry 4.0, ultimately I need to focus on that. So that the first service 3D printing, and second services is web services, web development, and third one is digital marketing. I can optimize the SEO, sites, SEO, SEM, SMM, everything. And fourth one is graphic designing, a little bit of graphic designing services. And the fifth one is the CAD CAM services, where I can, if anyone need to got any model or any idea, I can make a model and a prototype. If they need analysis, I can provide the analysis report itself also. These 5 to 6 services I can provide in my company. Yeah. Yes, sir. Anyone can ask any something, because without giving anything, I can't. Most of the faculty are delivering towards learning C, C++, but they are not diverting towards core field. Is there any less number of jobs? May I know any software to learn in manufacturing field? Okay, fine. Don't get divert if they divert your passion or your motive, because CSC, they will have number of opportunities, number of jobs, because if they got one project, they can handle with 3 systems, they will make a small office, they will bid the amount of 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So it's enough for 3 months of a CSC project. But in our domain, if you need to start any manufacturing or anything, you need to minimum, you need to invest 2 crores, 3 crores. Due to this, the number of jobbers opportunities in mechanical is less, because industries are focusing only on how to get soon projects, how to deliver the projects, because in mechanically we need much investment. So this providing a less jobs. If you really in manufacturing, if you talk about coding, in our lab only there is a CNC mission. You can able to learn in 4th year semester, I think so. You can learn the G code and something else, CNC programming. That also you can provide a lot of jobs, but rather than moving to CSE, you better to come with the same technical skills use the coding. In 3D printing also, there is a slicing software. In the slicing software also, we need to make a G code. But unfortunately, softwares are default making the G codes. If you learn the G code, you can build any type of the code. Simply, I can tell my project, my MTech project is CAD CAM. I'm making a TIG welding project. I'm analyzing on a TIG welding process. I need to execute a double ellipsoidal heat source model. There will be heat source models in the welding. So in that, I need to generate one spark with high frequency. In any software, there is no default system. So I got one, after literating everything, I got one open source code, which is wrote in 14C language, 14 language. With the 14 language, I am capable to understand it. I modified the code and finally executing the code. So in ANSYS also, you can use that type of code systems, which is related to somewhat C language, but it's exactly 14 language. And parallelly, you can move with ANSYS APDL. APDL is nothing but a parametric design language. So in that also, you can find that commands, coding. Coding is nothing but giving a command. Simply you can feel like that, because coding, you don't feel like it is a very burden to us. What are the skills we develop in order to crack placements in campus? The skills to need, what the skills is, first participate in Mesha session and go on the dais, speak at least 1 minute in your mother tongue or in any language. It doesn't matter. After 3 times, 4th time you can focus on your technicality, what I am speaking, whether it is right or wrong. I need to speak right only now. So think about the 3rd time. So first participate in the MESA and make initiator, do initiate with seminars or any fun, or just talk, that is enough. And the second skill you need to develop is participate in CRT training, because every campus placement will shortlist by the written test only. In the written test, you need to you need to get a good marks. Definitely you need to perfect in one aptitude and some English. So aptitude you will learn in CRT, and English and something community you will learn in MESA sections. So these 2 things you need to focus, then you will definitely crack your placements. There are less number of jobs in Hyderabad as compared to Bombay. Yeah, as said previously, Pune, Bombay, they have a lot of space, and there are North Indians will make more investment. So you get more opportunities. In Hyderabad, pharmaceutical and IT companies, you will get a lot of jobs in these 2 domains. What inspired you choose your career in internship and entrepreneurship? Sir.
I would like to point to the students. You chat box, better to open your mouth and talk, so that is the first point is to take initiation.
Yes, sir. I got a lot of messages from chat box.
Yeah, that's what I'm teaching the students.
Yeah. Exactly, sir.
If you that is the best interaction a student should have. That's what you can tell them. Open the mouth, they should talk first of all.
Don't think about the language, what you are speaking and the modulation, because first you need to talk, whether it is English or any Hindi or any Tamil or any Telugu. After that, 2-3 times you can focus, then you will get a communication skills and everything.
Yeah, people are not able to communicate with other means like you, juniors. How come they definitely come? That's
yes, sir. Reduce the type of only I am suggesting that go and interact with the faculty. If you interact with faculty, you will
open your mouth and talk, so that you can at least understand what you're talking. Okay, a lot of you can see this group also. How they're talking and how interacting like that. So this is not.
Yeah, students, my dear juniors, please consider the Rajnikant sir suggestion also. What I meant to say, that is, what inspired you to use your career in entrepreneurship? Nothing but, sir, ultimately everyone will focus on money, because we need some satisfaction. better to do a job, everything. Ultimately, on some family pressures and surrounding pressures, we definitely do the job. But while doing job also, we can do many things. Because of only I started my company, an entire lifetime I will slowly move on with that company. And if you want, I want to do steady, I want to do any other things, I do parallelly the same thing, because my satisfaction and my passion is my company. So that's the initiation I taken. What inspired means, simply example, my fourth year project and my sirs, Siddiq sir and Ajay sir, because with that only I made a project, 3D printing. With the 3D printing only, I thought that don't stick with mechanical domain, better to collaborate with other domains also. So I made a tagline that unification of a services is my tagline. It's nothing but a club of other domains, not only CSE. In my long-term goal is also very clear. If I got some resources, I will definitely interlink with the EC domain and cloud also. And here I want to mention one thing is how coding is related to our CAD software. If you learn the tool, you can open start menu and click on the CATIA and you can draw a triangle or any line. So with only one sheet of a command, one sheet of a code, if you execute that code and press on enter, you no need to touch any window or any tab and everything. The SolidWorks window opens and it will draw one line. That how the developers from the CSC are developing that code beside the tool. Behind the tool, the code is defaultly developed. So if you go with YouTube tutorials, there is some tutorials, so open and search it. SolidWorks, for SolidWorks there will have some. In that you will definitely get. Only placing the code, you will click enter, no need to draw any line, anything. Just the software will opens and it will be draw one line. So this is nothing but automation. Almost HyperMesh is getting automated by companies. So no need to do manual meshing. So like that, the coding is already related to the mechanical domain. Unfortunately, what going behind that. So better to think that way also. Challenge you faced initially to get clients building a team. Challenges building a team. I thought I have one team, sir. Definitely, with my surrounding, not only in my BTech batch, I touched everyone from the childhood friends. Finally, I have 5 to 8 members of team with 3 members batch with their respected domains. One is ANSYS, one is designing. Ultimately, I am also designer, a CAD designer, and parallelly, my childhood friend is a web developer. He is one of my team member, and I have one CA friend. He will take care of all CA. So better to communicate with your surrounding also. Then you will get a teamwork, and you will get some initiation what we are getting. I mean, is there any skill in that boy or in that girl? So just collaborate with that and we will make a good team.